pushing.
Head back towards the top of the hill. After I move on. Alright, I'll meet you back at the same crater, Matara.
You guys left already?
Yeah, we left. I grabbed the ammo.
I gotta make this.
Kevin. Oh yeah, Forrest, whatever.
Nobody's in here with me because I'm driving like absolute crap.
Good truck down to the north.
Northeast.
The fuck is this?
That's me, guys. This is me right here.
It was not me. I don't know who's has that fucking voice.
They went. They're just passing by the cabin on the south side of the lake.
Anybody have a little extra air ammo?
Yeah, I got some. Where you at?
Thank you, sir. Perfect.
No problem.
It's probably sandbags.
There's one cop car southwest. Is heading southwest.
Yeah, I see it.